kind of more get on it when it was dry, or when it is dry, because it was raining yesterday. Man, the quick shifter is such a good addition to you know, motorcycles these days. Not alone, I mean, it helps the shifting. Prior, you know, this bike was a little bit more notchy, especially shifting from neutral to first gear, and you know, sitting at a light in neutral and then clicking down, you kind of get that, you know. But you know, shifting from first, second, third in the city, just because there is that sensor on the quick shifter, it's alerting that I'm about to shift, and my shifts have gotten smoother, they're softer. So that's pretty cool, and the bike is running so much. It wasn't running bad before, but it's running better with that little valve in the exhaust in the previous video that I touched base on. Maybe they updated the software, but the sound has increased drastically. It's really quite poppy now, especially just sitting at a light and pop, 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 pop. I mean, it's really you know, some people really like that sound. I like it sometimes, but not all the time. It's really raspy and quite a bit more bassy, and it carries. But you know, I like it most of the time. But when you want to be under the radar and a little bit more quiet, you know, maybe riding at night, you definitely, I don't want it to be that loud. But it does sound more race bike for sure. More, you know, Desmos, Adichie, you know, old school, really just you know, in your face sound. But it's a big difference, but the bike is running phenomenal, and that quick shifter is definitely going to take some getting used to, because I've been riding 40 years and I'm used to riding with a clutch, and you know, so I always pull that clutch in. So even though I know, I'm telling myself mentally, you don't have to pull your clutch in, I still crack the throttle and pull. I can pull it in pretty fastly, and you know, reduce the throttle really quickly, you know, through the years of doing that. But I gotta just get used to, because it is faster and it's more crisp when you just stay full throttle and you don't pull the clutch in and you just shift. That's where you're going to see the biggest advantage to that Ducati Quick Shifter in terms of the quickness that it shifts and the extra power that you carry into the next gear. See you later on the next video. Bye bye.